good because you can put things on it and show it to yourself, your parents, and if you invite your friends over, you can show it to your friends. I like doing Papa Power because I get to record it onto Papa Power and I get to show my mum. Kids. Black kids, orange kids, yellow fluffy cute kids, ginger grey spotty kids, those are just a few. Scratching kids, nice kids, biting angry bird kids, hunting running tree kids, fishing kids too. Old kids, new kids, don't forget cuddly kids. Last of all, best of all, I like sparkly kids. We explain everything and we talk and write at the same time. Then when we listen to it, it writes for us, then we put it on USpace. And we're learning about double step. Two numbers are the same.
Hi, my name's Marcella, and I think face work is really good because it's slowly to tidy.
That we have been doing with our big buddies. We had to fill up all of the boxes and answer all of the questions with our big buddies. When we finish, we upload it to USpace and share with the people at home. I love my buddy because she helps me get my portfolio done. I like writing on people's books because I like getting them. We love USpace because we can show off all our awesome learning and work.